Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a beautiful day and a great week. Well, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's see what is inside the bag. All right, get rid of the bag. Okay, this kit comes from DiamondArtDecor, and if they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here. So we only have one kit today. Let me put my scissors away before I knock them off on my foot. And this comes from Joy Sunday. It is a 14 count, 50 by 64. Oh my goodness, yeah. It's kind of a big one, if I can get it out. And I believe it's full coverage, but we'll find out here as soon as I get it out of the bag. Maybe. Holy cow. It's in there. I think it'll have to have its own bag. What do you think? Put that up there. And I'll flip this over. Is that not gorgeous? Look at all those roses. It's called Her Majesty's Roses. And I just loved all the colors. Just absolutely stunning. I love the vase. Just gorgeous. Absolutely. Let's put that up there. Now it does have a fairly good sized booklet, and it is full coverage. Let's take a look here. See if we have. We only have full cross stitch. There's no half cross stitch. There's no back stitch. You can put in whatever you want. This booklet is 9 sections long. This kit is 230 stitches by 307 stitches. And we have 50 colors. Let's see. We have 154, which is the mulberry color. No 310 black. We have 321 red, which is what I consider Christmas red. We have 498, which is a brick red. We have 550 purple, my favorite purple. No 823 or 939. So the darkest it gets is that mulberry color. So there's no blacks or dark blues in this. And they're using B5200 and a crew for your whites, but very nicely printed. Okay, this set of numbers goes to the paper pattern, and this one over here goes to the canvas, so you have an extra set for you to look at. But just very nice, and with 50 colors, it is going to be very well defined and shaded. I love that. Just gorgeous. And I'm glad there's no back stitching, nothing. Let's take a look at the colors. If I can get them out of here, they're all kind of mooshed. And let me shake it down a minute and pull it out this way. We have 2 thread cards. We have 2 needles. It does come on the good thread cards. There's your accrue, your B5200, and this is 3866, not 3865. But we have peaches and purples. We have blues and rose colors. Look at all the greens. Oh my goodness. Gracious. Here's the purples. We have our 498 red, 550 purple, and 552. We have some golds, not golds, yellow and gold down here. Some beautiful purples, dark greens, bright pinks. There's your 321 Christmas red. Here's your 154, this one right here, where it's kind of a dark purpley. So, yeah, beautiful, gorgeous, stunning colors for this. Just could not get over how beautiful that looked. Put that all up there. Let's see if we can even get this undone. It's kind of mooshed. It's been in that package a hot moment. But this is a fairly good size picture here. But you do have a nice, let me flip it. Sorry. It goes this way. Nice, big, huge key. Very easy to see numbers. Very nicely printed. And it doesn't look too horribly confettied. You know, you might have a little bit down in the flowers where you want that definition. But just beautifully printed. Gorgeous. I'm glad there's no half cross stitch. It's just all full cross stitch. Let's see if we can, I gotta set it this way. Can measure. It is serged all the way around before I forget to say that, but typical Joy Sunday that it is. This is approximately 64.5 centimeters, or a little over 25.25 inches by 49 centimeters, or a little bit over 19.25 inches. The actual picture size is about 16.5 inches, or almost 42 centimeters by, it's got poofy ends, I can't get it to lay down. Let's see, 55.5 centimeters, or almost 22 inches. But just absolutely gorgeous. This would be just beautiful in a gold frame. You know what I'm talking about, the old heavy looking frame. If you had a nice huge wall to put that on, and a wall to support that. But very, very nice. I'm going to show you all the printing. That's the vase right there. But very well done. I am just thrilled sick with this. We will be starting this afternoon, so join me at 1 Mountain Standard Time, USA, and we will start it. I don't know where, but yeah, I haven't figured that part out. Now, Diamond Art Decor, thank you very much for this gorgeous kit. And they have cross-stitch diamond painting and paint by number. They also have some scrapbooking things, the quill paper thing, and wax stamps. They also do custom diamond painting. They always have a great selection, great prices, and wonderful collection. So do check them out. Thank you everyone for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.